Good morning and welcome to e-learning modules produced and presented by Netaji Subhash Mahavidyalaya, Holdibari, Coach Bihar. I am M.D. Samiul Azim, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Netaji Subhash Mahavidyalaya. Dear students, some of the figure of speech have already been done and the rest of them will be done today. Now I will talk about alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech in which same syllable or letter is repeated two or more than two times in a sentence. For example, I am quoting a line of Shakespeare. Shakespeare's sonnet contains this line, and I am telling you, when to the session of sweet silent thought. Dear student, mark here, the letter S has been used three times here. Session, sweet, silent. In Bengali, alliteration is called Anupras. And if I give an example in Bengali, it might be a little bit clearer to you. Cholo Chopular Chokito Chorone, or Bharat Shrestho Apunar Gune. Here the letter in Bengali alphabet cha has been uttered two or more than two times. Another example I am giving from Coleridge's very famous poem Ancient Mariner. Alone, alone, all alone. Here, the letter A has been used two or more than two times. So, it is an example of alliteration. Next, the word that I am going to discuss about is hyperbole. Hyperbole. The word hyper indicates something excess, and when we exaggerate something, it is a kind of hyperbole. Hyperbole actually means exaggeration. So, first of all, let us discuss about the definition of hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure of speech in which something is exaggerated out of its proportion. I am giving an example. And the example is, she is the most beautiful girl in the world. She is the most beautiful girl in the world. It means that there is no other girl as beautiful as she is. But frankly speaking, there might be several other beautiful girls who are more beautiful than the girl with whom I am comparing. There is another very important line of Wordsworth in his poem Daffodils. There he says about the daffodil flowers, that 10,000 saw I at a glance. The line is 10,000 saw I at a glance. Here the poet indicates that he saw 10,000 flowers at a time, at a glance. So here there is an example of hyperbole, or we can say Netaji Subhas Mahavidyalaya is the best college in the world. Netaji Subhas Mahavidyalaya is the best college in the world. It means that there is no other college as good as Netaji Subhas Mahavidyalaya. But we know there are some lacuna. In spite of that, when we say that Netaji Subhas Mahavidyalaya is the best college in the world, it is an example of hyperbole or exaggeration. Thank you, dear students. I will upload another video a few minutes later. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy reading.